kum kawai ni kisin jam ban penlong ke jela Meghalaya ka bakot bakhya menteri rangba ka jela Conrad ki Sangma ulami Shasurok jangkanong ba Shillong menta kasngi da ka banya e ka cycle electric ban pelat ya ka public bicycle sharing system ne ka PBSS ha kasin ka ban Nyngkong kani kasin jam kalong kum shibenta ban pen kalai ka Shillong kum ka jakayat ki jat pat ka jakanya cycle ha ka bakal air ka bakhuit ka jingla banya la luit bat ka rukom im ka bakot bakhya kan kalalong ka jing shisha na ka benta baro umilin soman uteng shop bat ubakanti ro ya ka jingkit kli ya ka kwat ka kya jong ka met ka phat ulai shimbenta lang ha ka jingnya cycle bat umentri rangba ka jala ka bakhot ikinong shong shnong ban kyar na ka bashong kali lani non motorized transport bat banedan benta lang ha ka ni ka sin jam ban penlong ya ka Shillong ka bajerngam bat ka bakhot bakhya ka PBSS kalong urishot bakongsan jong ka Shillong urban mobility policy arajar arposaw ka babu thong ban poi shakalai pusan na ka shispa ya ka let ka wan klem dependent kam ya ki kali palat arpautali ki cycle electric ki badan ya ki pedal bala banya ha ki jakari lum kum ha Shillong kini ki cycle kin khampen sok ki nong nya ha kino kirta ban kin tiru ya ka kwat ka khya Hakaway na kijingnya balengkot second dailat u Conrad ula shem hidalade ka jingsuk bat jinglat luit ka bakane ka rukomnya ka batem mai ka ai ya kani jing tmula lam kamat dakatanat urban affairs haringkat ka jingitri lang bat ka GIZ India hapo ka project sustainable urban mobility sam aka kikam kilaya cha na kabenta ban penwandori kilenti singkien ban pen kenra ikinong di madan ban pen he ikichakayat kijat na kabenta ki Paidbah bat bantei ya kilentinya cycle kijing tmu ki kenthop ro ikilentinya cycle ikali kamai electric bat kijing penpoi kisan pautali ki bus electric baro kini kijing tmu ki long ban penduna kijing pendon kam ki kali bat ban pen he ikilentia kijat na kabenta ki Paidbah kani kijing pelat kalong ka khalip mat ka bakongsan ha kijing ya lenti jong kanong ba Shillong ban long kum ka sor ka bala ban yat kijat ha ka ba kishnong ki thau ka kwat ka khya bat ka jing penne pensa kan ya ringkat bat ka lawai
As you know that this entire concept of Ride Shillong, where we're going to give public electric bicycles to people, which means it's publicly owned and people will just rent it and use it. And these are all electric bicycles, and hence even in a kind of uphill, you don't have to pedal so much. There will be electric system to support you. So it's a very, very good technology, and it's very, very good for a place like Shillong, and anybody of any age can actually use this. While I was cycling right now, I didn't have to pedal much. I was using the different levers and the gears, and that gave enough power where I could move with the power of the engine, the electric engine, and it made it very simple. This, as you know, is a part of a larger project and larger vision to make Shillong a walkable and a cyclable kind of a city where people don't have to use motor vehicles. So we're trying to minimize the usage of motor vehicles. We're trying to encourage people to use electric vehicles, electric cycles. Very soon we're coming up with a scheme for electric taxis also. We'll be getting the first installment of about 50 electric buses that are coming up. And obviously we are working towards increasing the pedestrian area, the walking area, so that people can walk more. Shillong is definitely a walkable city, and hence most of the locations you can reach without having to use a vehicle. You can simply walk to them. Problem is the space is not there for them to walk, and hence we are working towards that at a larger goal. And this is, as I said, one step towards that, to make as I said, electric vehicles and other forms of mobility which is non-motor vehicles to be utilized more in Shillong. And then of course we wanted to expand to other parts of the state like Jawai and Tura, Nongstoin and other places also. So as you know, the first step which we have done for schools is the STEM buses. Now we are trying to work towards how we could make those STEM buses into electric vehicles also. It will take some time. It's not simple. I think getting people to get used to a bus system itself was a challenge in Shillong city, but people are now accepting it, realizing it, and happy to use it. And now the next step will be to simply to change the buses and put electric vehicles. So I hope we'll be able to do it soon. It's not going to happen immediately, but it's definitely on our
I know
cards.
cycling to schools and like
Yes, there are plus, there are minus. They started with this. I hope people will now take up. So I think it's a good point. I hope that media also will promote this. You will also speak about this, and I hope you will also start cycling to office and not just students but press also.
Sir, but we don't have proper bicycle tracks and all of that in the city.
So exactly, we have to start somewhere. I mean, if we keep looking at a problem and say, well, this is an excuse, this is excuse, that's excuse, then we'll never start. When you have to solve a problem, you have to start somewhere. It starts with the first step you take, and then the next is to overcome the challenges that you have. So I think if you keep looking at the challenges, if you keep looking at the problems and keep saying that, well, this is not there, this is not there, then nothing is going to change. We have to start somewhere. So I hope that this habit will start. We are working towards improving the overall areas for improving the space for cycling tracks also. So let's hope this is the first step, and we'll continue to improve it as we go along.
I always enjoy being part of initiatives that encourage health and fitness and sustainability, and I think this is a great initiative. It's a great first step to start this public electric bicycle sharing system, and I hope that all the infrastructure changes that they've spoken about, which are very exciting, I hope they all come true very, very soon. I wish the government of Meghalaya all the very best, and also their partners, GIZ, the German partners. I think if they work well together, and of course with the support of the citizens of Meghalaya and the citizens of Shillong, I think Shillong is going to be a heaven on earth like it used to be years ago.